Hey tea lovers! If you love to be active, this is the ultimate tea for you. Organic Live Fit is a green tea-based blend with ingredients to boost energy, enhance workout results, and aid in recovery. The base of this blend is organic green tea. Green tea has been shown to be a great workout partner. From its incredibly high antioxidant levels to its caffeine that doesn't crash, green tea is a great pre-workout beverage. Along with green tea's caffeine content, it contains L-theanine, which produces alertness and greater attention. Studies have shown that drinking green tea before workouts can help you burn fat faster and reduce muscle damage. The next ingredient is organic ashwagandha root. Ashwagandha root helps improve physical energy and athletic ability. Additionally, this root can help increase muscle mass and fat burning. Ashwagandha supplementation has been shown to be especially useful in conjunction with a resistance or strength training program. Next up is organic Epimidium. Epimidium has been shown to help with decreasing muscle fatigue, managing joint pain, and boosting physical performance. Additionally, Epimidium has been shown to help with pain related to arthritis and nerve pain. These pretty purple flowers are organic lemon verbena. Lemon verbena is a helpful ingredient in the recovery portion of working out. This herb helps to promote healthy sleep patterns and reduce joint pain. Our second to last ingredient is organic lemon peel. Besides adding a delicious citrus taste to this blend, lemon peel is a great source of antioxidants. Lemon peel has also been studied to show a lowered risk for osteoporosis and support heart health. Finally, these are organic rose hips. Rose hips have been shown to have numerous health benefits. This ingredient promotes weight loss, boosts the immune system, reduces joint pain, and supports heart health. Next up, let's make a delicious pre-workout beverage using organic Live Fit. I'm going to start with 3 teaspoons of my tea leaves and about 6 ounces of hot water, letting this steep for 5 to 7 minutes. The reason that I decided to include honey in this is because it's a great way to get a quick little burst of sugar before you work out. Honey doesn't mix well into cold beverages, so using your hot tea, make sure that you add your honey before your ice so that you can give it a chance to dissolve, and then add your ice on top, finish with half a lemon, and garnish with lemon wedges if you'd like. This is a delicious, cold and refreshing drink that'll help get you hydrated, energized, and a little bit of sugar so you're ready to work out. This would also be a great after-workout beverage to get the benefits that will help with joint pain and fatigue. Thanks so much for tuning into Tea of the Week this week. I hope you learned something fun about Organic Live Fit and that you'll give it a try. All the links will be in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!